Jackson tells Thandiswa that he is going to kill her the same way that he killed her sister Xoliso. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Jackson went over to Thandiswa mthola hlezi yedwa. Afike amtshele-ke ukuthi wena, I'm going to kill you. I know you tried to kill me. Athi Thandiswa, how did you make it out vele? Athi my love, uMartha saved me. Athi anyway, ngizokubulala. I'm going to kill you the same way that I killed your sister Xoliso. Hi, acasuke uThandiswa took a table knife, pointed it and put it on Jackson's neck. Kwaze kwafika-ke uZwelethu to separate them or alamule, holding Jackson, saying, pushing him away. Athi Jackson, hey, wena ushaya nemeya, what are you thinking? Nina nje, you've just senithintile nje. Nithintinyoke emgodini, nizoyikhotha imbenge yomile, like, you'll get what's coming for you. And mind you, Jackson has hired Inkabi, has hired a hitman to kill Thandiswa and Zwelethu. And then Thandiswa realizes that there's someone that's actually been sitting outside the salon and watching them, which sort of gets her worried and says that she wants to tell Zwelethu about it. And then Uphilile is worried ukuthi umndeni wakhe wants nothing to do with her. In the morning saying ukuthi nje uma wakhe is a fraud and a liar, ngeke saphinda mthemba. So, and then her husband is not even sleeping in their bedroom. So Uphilile nje is just pouring her heart out to Petunia, saying ukuthi I'm going through a lot. It feels like I failed my marriage. Nje on the other hand, her husband Mandla went to Jackson to ask for advice, saying, telling Mandla everything that Philile did, from being a loan shark to buying an unlicensed gun. Nokuzibandakanya no Mabizela. As with Jackson, do you love your wife? If you do, then you need to. Forgiveness is what the Bible says we must do. And also, I don't blame your wife for getting a gun. Mabizela has done like very bad things to people. So, and then Jackson Mandla goes home to his wife, Uphilile, and actually talks to her, saying, Guti, why didn't you tell me that Mabizela was threatening you? So it seems Guti he's warming up and wanting to forgive Uphilile. Atinje, you need to stop this loan shark business. As I can't because Mabizela threatened me and also said that I need to sleep with him. If I don't, then it's gonna hurt you. And guys, avela casuke Mandla. He was furious ukuthi Mabizela ukhuluma kanjani nonkosikazi wakhe kanje. And then uLeroy asked Mamike ukuthi who's the father of the baby. Turns out Mamike does not know who the father is. But then Leroy reassures her that we'll raise the baby. Like, it takes a village and we're here, you're not alone. We'll give this baby love and raise her. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.